Unraveling the mystery. Tear your hair out, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very expressive phrase in the English language, tear your hair out. Have you ever heard someone say this and wondered what it meant? Well, you're in the right place. Let's explore what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Tear your hair out is an idiomatic expression used to describe feeling extremely frustrated or worried about something to the point where you metaphorically might want to pull your own hair out. It's important to note that this is just a figure of speech, and no one is actually pulling their hair out. This phrase vividly expresses the depth of someone's distress or irritation. The origin of tear your hair out is somewhat historical and literary. It has been used for centuries as a way to express grief or despair. In ancient times, physically pulling one's hair was a common sign of mourning or great distress. Over time, this literal action turned into a metaphorical expression used to describe intense emotional turmoil. Now that we know what tear your hair out means, let's see how to incorporate it into our daily language. Here are a few examples. I've been trying to solve this math problem for hours, and I'm about to tear my hair out. Planning this event without any help is making me tear my hair out. He's been tearing his hair out trying to finish his thesis on time. Notice that this phrase can be used in various contexts. Whether it's about personal challenges, work-related stress, or any situation that causes significant frustration. To enrich your vocabulary, it's helpful to know some synonyms or phrases that convey a similar meaning. Here are a few. Pulling one's hair out, a direct variant of our main phrase. At one's wit's end, to be so worried, confused, or annoyed that you do not know what to do next. Frustrated to the point of madness. An exaggerated way of saying very frustrated. Using different expressions can help you articulate your feelings more precisely and make your English more colorful. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, tear your hair out. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting expression and how you can use it to express frustration or distress. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to understand the culture behind a language and make your communication more vivid and expressive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using tear your hair out in your conversations. See you in the next video.